front of me is Motorola Edge 70 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and clicking on Connected Devices right away. Now tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Then choose Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. If you are connecting to another smartphone or a tablet, you will have to accept connection request manually on the second device. As you can see, after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To manage any connection on this Motorola, use gear icon next to your saved device. And tap on this switcher next to Internet access to turn it on or switch it off. Use this pen to change name of device you are connected to. Hit connect, which is especially helpful if you are disconnected from your headphones. Or tap on forget. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up to no longer be paired with chosen device. You can always pair again by tapping on Pair New Device and doing exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!